The settings are applied to each individual event. So as you edit the settings in one of your events, they will not apply to any of the others. Underneath registration settings, you have a deadline date, deadline time, and the time zone. Time zone will be applied based on your account. You can choose the capacity, which is the total registrations allowed, leaving 0 for unlimited. You can then choose check-in settings. Payment status is allowed for check-in. For example, if someone enters in the card details and it succeeds, then the payment status will allow for check-in. If you add processing, you will also allow that as a potential check-in. If you also choose in pending, where still the payment has not processed and it is pending and has not succeeded, leaving this checked and saving changes will allow those people to still check in. You can also collect details for each attendee. When on, the staff and buyers would enter names and emails for each seat on a multiple ticket order, and each guest gets their own individual ticket. This is on by default, and you can turn it off. You can show the time zone next to the event time as well and choose to turn this on or off. Next is payments. You can choose whether or not to have this in live mode or in test mode. Turning it to test mode while keeping the event published will allow you to run test cards through the account. You can also require a card for free checkout. This will allow you to put a card on file even if the ticket amount is 0. Underneath notifications, you can click in and edit each one of these email, SMS, and WhatsApp and choose whether or not they're enabled or disabled. Once you edit them, click on Save. You can choose a daily summary email as well. There's attendee journey emails that are available here with text message and WhatsApp available too. You can then choose the from email and from name. Underneath link sharing, the URL slug will be applied based on the custom domain that you have applied inside of your account. You can then choose a favicon that shows up in the browser tab. Once you're happy with all of your settings, click on Save Changes.